Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be painting a dreamy city light scene on a 4-inch canvas. I'm using acrylic paints in deep purple, rose, black, white and lemon yellow, along with different size brushes, a palette and a jar of clean water. Alright, let's get started. I'm starting with the deep purple and taking a small amount of paint onto my palette. Next, I'm adding this beautiful rose paint right beside the purple. These two colors are going to create the dreamy evening sky. Using a number 12 filbert brush, I am picking up the rose paint. You can also use a flat brush for this step, whichever you are more comfortable with. I am applying the pink onto the lower part of the canvas, working in a slightly diagonal direction. You know, I usually like to play around with the direction of my backgrounds instead of always keeping them straight or horizontal. So for this one, I'm going diagonally just to make it a little more fun and different. Because at the end of the day, that's what we paint for, right? To have fun and make our souls truly happy. And let me know in the comments why you started painting. Now, I'm picking up the deep purple and applying it to the upper part of the canvas, again following the same diagonal direction. I really like how these two shades look together. The deep purple against the rose gives the sky a really nice dreamy feel, which is exactly the mood I wanted for this painting. And then I'm blending these two colors together. Once the background is ready, I'm switching to the black for all the silhouettes and details. Using a detailing brush, I'm starting with the bridge silhouette. I'm first drawing the main straight line and then extending it into the road leading towards the bridge, followed by the curved section. Take your time and enjoy the process. I'm keeping these lines nice and clean because they are going to be the main structure of the painting. Now I am adding the support lines inside the bridge. I am keeping these details quite minimal because I want the bridge to stay as a clean silhouette against the colorful sky. Once that's done, we can move on to the little city skyline underneath. I'm using the round brush for the city skyline underneath the bridge. I'm keeping the buildings as simple silhouettes with different heights so they don't take away from the main focus of the painting. On the left side of the canvas, I am adding tree silhouette using the same round brush. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm keeping the edges slightly irregular to make it look more natural. Now comes one of my favorite parts, the string lights. I'm drawing the first curved line across the top. Then I'm adding the second one and finally the third string of lights. Once the wires are in place, I'm adding small black dots along the strings. These will act as the little bulb sockets for our lights. Just randomly. Now I'm bringing in the lemon yellow for the glowing bulbs. And here's a little trick I use for this part. Instead of trying to paint every tiny circle by hand, I'm flipping my brush around and using the back of the brush handle. I am picking up a little yellow paint and gently stamping it underneath each black dots. This makes it really easy to get small, neat and almost perfectly round bulbs. To make the bulbs look brighter, I'm adding a tiny bit of white inside each one as a soft highlight. And this little detail makes such a difference. It instantly gives the lights a glowing effect. I am also adding some warm glowing lights to the buildings below. These little touches of light help bring the city silhouette to life and make the whole scene feel much more magical. For the final detail, I'm taking some white paint onto my round brush and thinning it slightly with water. Then I'm gently splattering the white paint over the canvas to create tiny stars in the night sky. And we're done. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that you never miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!